Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhail here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload SD videos on TikTok. But before starting our video, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and stay updated for more upcoming tutorials. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. After that, go to your profile by tapping on the profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, again tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner of your screen, and then again go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down, and in cache and cellular section you will see data saver. Tap on there. Make sure that data saver is turned on your device. To turn on, simply tap on the toggle and it will turn on. After that, go back, and in here select the video that you want to upload, and in here tap on more options. Scroll down, and in here make sure that allow high quality upload is turned on. After that, upload your video, and then the video will be uploaded on SD quality. So this is how you can simply upload SD videos to TikTok. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.